unlike Kara, who's listening to music, can't pay attention.
I'm not, it's not even on.
I know, I'm joking.
Oh, I think it's on. No, never mind, it's not on.
Your face isn't on. Yeah, see, exactly, it's not on.
Now it's on.
Off. Your face is off.
My butt's off.
Yeah, it is.
That's why I'm walking weird, no, I'm kidding.
You always walk weird because your butt's always off.
Have you seen my mom? Here's my mom walking.
I know, it's so funny.
I know. Oh, you thought that was funny when you saw her walking? You just saw her walking the night before because
She's walking so you can see the walk.
I can't do it because she had like really bad arthritis and it was acting up, and that's kind of really hard. Anyway, you thought what you saw was funny. You should have seen her on Friday when halfway through the cleaning process. It was really fun. She gave like a little walk and then a hobble. You just saw her hobbling.
It's like you, Kara.
I don't jiggle all over the place whenever I hobble, you know.
Well, you have jiggly things though. Come on.
Oh my!
Joking, Kara.
I do, but I'm working on it.
Yeah, it's making what, more jiggly?
No. See, they did cut that.
Let's see if there is any at all.
Oh, shut up.
I know, okay. Now you're blowing the cover. What? You're blowing your own cover. And they cut down your hopping rope. Remember?
Oh, man.
Now you can't do jump rope with yourself.
Oh, that's okay.
You can't even do it anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Hey, anyway, look at that dog.
That's the thing. It's like you. Only found what, one?
Yeah, because we already...
Because you didn't want to save any. Because you said, oh, they'll grow back.
Well, I'm not going to save... Well, they will.
Yeah, but who knows, it might take forever. Throw it before it dies.
It's not going to die. I need to find more.
Hey, you can use the grass.
Huh?
Look, they cut the grass too.
Where's it going to go for?
It's gonna like blow into people's windows. Being nosy?
I see one. It's clear back there. I need to get it.
Where?
Right there.
Ah,
There's one.
there you go. There you go. Got your tooth. What you doing over there, huh?
I hit myself in the face.
Good for you, Kara. That's not good for you. Nosy.
No. There's a baby one in there, but it's not even a thing yet. It's a little tiny ball. It's right there.
Save it for later, Kara. Just to hop, skip, and jump away. Kara, you smell like smoke.
Sorry.
Quit smoking.
Sorry.
And quit eating plants too.
Once it's in, we're done here.
Find any yet?
Yes, I did.
Come on, Kara.
I thought I got yelled at.
Yeah, I can see you yelled at.
Which isn't good, but I think it's last week.
And how it's bad. He'll be beaten up.
Probably.
It'll be worse than that bruise. That bruise will probably get 1,000 times worse.
Well, that ride was worth it, though.
Yeah.
Well, at least I think it was. I don't know about you, but I liked it.
No, you're a lazy bum.
Huh?
And there you're a lazy bum.
Oh, boy. What the hell was that?
It's a car. It's a red car.
Was that a dog or just a car?
Just a car. It pooped.
Who did?
It just pooped the leaves.
Oh, I thought you were going to drop one.
Yeah, Kara, your hand pooped it.
Come on, stop. I'm trying to find it.
So much for taking a Tylenol, too.
Yeah, I'll just wait for that.
Yeah, I still need to pull it on my butt first. You may not want it after that.
Next time.
Yeah, when you really need it. When you really need it.
28 months, remember?
Yes, every 28 months you get it.
I'm abnormal.
Like that too. I'm joking. You'll be bag. You're very abnormal, Kara.
I don't even know what that means, but who said that word?
Abnormal? That's what you said.
Oh.
Jeez, you don't remember that?
Yeah, I remember that, totally.
Yeah, now you totally remember that. You said old guys to your boyfriend. Joking, Kara.
I know. I'm going on a pepper hunt. Or whatever the heck these things are.
No comment. Need a joint? Being nosy? I am, fellas. Oh, that's a cool car.
There's not even any berries.
The berries were further down, I think. I thought. I don't know.
I thought I just saw when it was just a bunch of them things.
Them things. Because you're a them thing. Excuse you, Kat. Jeez. Just throw them before the bus comes.